Hey guys, Sifat here. Welcome to my AI ReviewShorts Review 2025. In this video, I'll be reviewing AI ReviewShorts. So what is AI ReviewShorts? AI ReviewShorts is the world's first AI application that turns any product link into a high-converting product demo and review video in minutes. Here are some of its key features. Instant Review Maker. Simply drop a product URL, and the system instantly builds a complete review video, pulling visuals and benefits automatically so you can drive clicks without the manual work. Quick and custom modes. Use Quick Mode to generate viral 30-second clips instantly, or switch to Custom Mode to tweak scripts, pacing, and branding with a simple drag-and-drop editor. Global Reach and Avatars. Create 15 to 60-second videos in over 12 languages. Choose from 200 plus avatars and 50 plus professional voices to give your reviews a polished, human feel without ever showing your face. Smart Optimization. The AI writes high-converting scripts, adds scroll-stopping captions, and selects the perfect background music. It even generates your SEO titles and tags to help you rank fast. Publish Anywhere. Preview your video in real time. Then use one-click download to post across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels instantly to start driving traffic. Stick around until the end because I'll walk you through AI ReviewShorts step by step and share my honest verdict on the pros and cons of AI ReviewShorts, so you can easily decide whether AI ReviewShorts is the right fit for you. To make things easy for you and to save yours time, I've added detailed timestamps in the description below. This means you can easily skip ahead to the exact sections you're most interested in, whether that's the live demo or the pricing breakdown. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI ReviewShorts, click the link in the description below. Please like this video, it really helps out my YouTube channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Alright, let's not wait any longer. Let's see how AI ReviewShorts works in action. Alright, we are now inside the dashboard of AI ReviewShorts. To begin, click Create a Video. You will see two options, Quick Mode and Advanced Mode. For this demonstration, I will select Quick Mode. Next, enter a name for your project. After that, paste a product link from platforms such as Amazon, ClickBank, or Warrior Plus. The AI will automatically pull the key sales information for you. Choose your video duration. You can select anything from 15 seconds up to 120 seconds. Then choose the aspect ratio. Options include vertical, horizontal, square, and portrait. Now set the language for your video. AI ReviewShorts supports more than 100 languages. Once everything is selected, click Next. Now wait, because the AI is analyzing the product page. Then it will generate product description and script. Now you can see it generates the product description and voiceover script. You can customize it or you can regenerate it. After reviewing the product description and the generated voiceover script, click Next. Now choose your avatar, voice, and captions. You can select from the pre-made avatars or upload your own custom avatar or digital persona. There are more than 1,200 avatars available, giving you plenty of options to match the style of your video. Then choose a voice for your video narration. You'll find a wide range of accent options, including Australian, US, and many others. Select the voice that best fits the style of your video. You can also turn on auto captions, and Creatify AI will generate the captions for you automatically. After that, click Generate Video. The rendering process typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the complexity of your video. Now you can see that the system automatically generates the video title, description, and hashtags. It also creates YouTube tags that you can copy and paste directly. If you want something different, you can regenerate any of these elements. You can even generate a thumbnail right from here. Once everything looks good, simply download the video, then post it and paste in the ready-made title, description, and tag. Everything is already done for you. Here is the final output created by AI ReviewShorts.
Are you tired of nicks and irritation every time you shave? Meet the Do.ao electric razor, your solution to effortless grooming. With its upgraded waterproof design and powerful rechargeable battery, you can achieve a smooth shave whenever you need it, whether you're at home or rushing out the door. The sleek ergonomic build fits perfectly in your hand, while advanced blade technology ensures a clean finish without any discomfort. Elevate your grooming game and feel confident every day. Try the Do.ao electric razor today.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the pricing structure and the entire sales funnel for AI ReviewShorts. After that, I'll walk you through the pros and cons so you can easily decide whether AI ReviewShorts is the right fit for you. So, let's get straight to the point. There are essentially two ways to buy. You can get the main software and add optional upgrades, or you can get everything at once with the bundle deal. First up is the main software called the front end. This is the core version of AI ReviewShorts, and it costs a one-time fee between $37 and $47. Think of this as your foundation. It gives you that hands-free video creation capability where you simply paste a product link and the software handles the rest. It eliminates the need for filming or editing and automatically optimizes your titles and tags so you can get visibility on Google and YouTube right out of the gate. The content it generates is specifically designed to get traction on short-form platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Plus, it supports over 100 languages, so you can target buyers globally. It also comes with step-by-step training to help you scale, and importantly, it includes a commercial license so you can sell these video services to clients. One quick tip, if you pick this up, try using the coupon code REVIEW10 to save 10% off the price. Now, if you want to expand what you can do, that brings us to 0201 AI ReviewShorts Pro. This is a one-time payment of $67. The Pro edition is all about removing limit. While the standard version is great, Pro lets you generate up to 300 campaigns per month with unlimited script. It also unlocks a massive library of over 500 avatars and 100 distinct AI voices, so your videos don't sound repetitive. A huge benefit here is that it allows you to make longer videos up to 120 seconds, which is great for more detailed reviews. You also get an unlimited hook generator to help stop the scroll, along with professional traffic strategies to grow your audience faster. Next up is OTO2, the Review Clone Edition, also for a one-time price of $67. This upgrade is really cool if you care about branding. It gives you advanced customization tools that basically let you clone yourself. You can upload a photo or a short clip, and the AI creates a digital avatar that looks like you. This builds trust and personal branding without you having to be on camera 24/7. Alternatively, you can create unique reviewer personas for specific niches. So if you have a tech channel and a beauty channel, you can have different avatars for each to keep things distinct. Then we have OTO3, the agency edition, which costs $297 one time. This is strictly for people who want to turn this into a business. It allows you to resell access to the platform. You can create between 50 and 250 separate client accounts using a reseller dashboard. The best part, you keep the money from the sales you make, but the vendor handles all the technical support for your clients. They also provide sales materials to help you close those deals. Moving on to OTO4. The Click Agent AI edition for $67 one time. This tool is designed to be an automated closer. It creates what they call an interactive selling room in just a few minutes. Essentially, it deploys realistic avatars that work 24/7 to explain products and answer questions. It integrates with big affiliate platforms like Warrior Plus and ClickBank. You just generate a single link and the AI handles the sales engagement for you, so you don't need to build complex funnels. Finally, there is OTO5, the VO Profit Academy edition, which is also $67 one time. This is a mix of software and strategy. It gives you a playbook for capitalizing on those viral AI animal videos you see everywhere. It includes a chaos trigger prompt engine that helps you generate that specific style of content without writing prompts manually. The goal here is to build a loyal fan base and monetize it through soft selling. Now just a heads up on those upgrades, you usually need to own the front-end software first for them to work. However, there is a hack to get everything at once, and that is the AI ReviewShorts bundle. The bundle costs $347 one time. This package includes the front-end software plus every single upgrade I just mentioned, the pro features, the cloning tech, the agency license, the selling room, and the viral academy. It creates a complete suite for one price. And you can use the coupon code minus symbol to get $50 off on the bundle deal. Alright, no review is complete without an honest look at the good and the bad. So let's talk about the pros and cons of AI ReviewShorts to help you decide if it's the right tool for you. Let's start with the pros. First off, the biggest advantage here is obviously speed and automation. If you've ever tried to make a product review from scratch, you know it takes hours to script, record, and edit. This tool does about 90% of that work in minutes. The fact that you can just paste a URL and get a functional video back is a massive time saver, especially if you're trying to run multiple channels. The second big pro is the faceless factor. A lot of people want to get into affiliate marketing or YouTube, but are terrified of being on camera. Because this software uses AI avatars and voiceovers, you never have to show your face or record your own voice. It removes that barrier to entry completely. I also have to give credit to the global reach. Most tools just do English, but the fact that this can translate and produce videos in over 100 languages is a huge deal. It allows you to target markets that are way less competitive than the English-speaking market. And finally, the commercial license on the front end is a nice touch. It means you aren't just limited to your own products. You can legally sell these video creation services to clients right out of the box. However, it's not all perfect. Let's switch gears and talk about the cons, because there are a few things you need to be aware of. The main drawback is the funnel structure. As I mentioned in the pricing breakdown, the front-end version is great, but it does have limits. You are capped at a certain number of campaigns, and you don't get access to all the premium avatars or the cloning feature unless you buy the upgrades. If you want the truly unlimited experience, you will have to spend more than just the initial entry price. Another thing to keep in mind is AI quality control. While the technology is impressive, it's not magic. Sometimes the AI might mispronounce a brand name or pick a stock image that doesn't quite fit the context. You can't just blindly hit publish every single time. You should always watch the video and maybe make a few manual tweaks in the custom mode to ensure it looks professional. Lastly, there is the risk of originality. Since this is a template-based AI tool, if you just use the default settings like everyone else, your videos might start to look a bit generic. You really need to use those customization features like the different voices and avatars to make sure your content stands out from the crowd. So, is it worth it? If you are a perfectionist who wants Hollywood-level production, this might not be for you. But if you are a marketer who needs to produce a lot of content quickly, test multiple products, and scale without burning out, the time you save with AI ReviewShorts easily outweighs those limitations. That's my honest take. So if you're ready to get started, the next step is simple. Click the first link in the description below this video to get to the official website. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button. It makes a huge difference. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be in there answering them. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sifat, and I'll see you in the next video.